Sondela Nature Reserve. It's a beautiful property situated in the Limpopo province, just outside Bella Bella. We're a family resort. We're hosting approximately 1,800 guests. Nature is a beauty, our animals are tame. We have all kinds of activities, and the main focus at Sondela's family. This is where family comes together. This is where they experience life. And with all other activities, whoever rides the bike can enjoy himself, while the rest of the family are enjoying the activities on the farm. This is where children grows up. One of our most amazing activities that we have is mountain biking. Wherever you ride, you have amazing single track. We've got about 80 kilometers of single track that you can experience. It's all different levels of riding. So mom and dad can ride together with the children. Dad or mom, the serious rider, can also go and have some fun. And therefore, we want Sondela to be the place of the people. Sondela stands for come closer, come together, and people are having fun.